They won't know what hit them.
Some assistance, please! Never really was on your side.
What sick man sends babies to fight? Run, cowards!
All I can tell you about this next procedure is that it will be excruciating!
Ah, this is bad!